Today I am going to brunch with my friend. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Also, I was gonna record this using this mic, but it's kind of broken, so that's really sad. Yeah, we're going to brunch. It's downtown. I think it's called Old School, and I'm really excited, except the only thing is it's not like a cheap place, so... Anyway, it still should be fun, should be nice. See you later. Me. This is only vlog from today. Yeah, I mean, it's 8 p.m. right now, and I've been awake since 10 a.m. I just haven't gotten out of bed. Yeah, today's a pretty sad day. Nothing new or nothing actually happened. just felt really overwhelmed by everything that's going on right now. It was triggered by me thinking about what next summer is gonna be like. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you're confused, I'll link a video that I made that might clear up some confusion, but other than that, I wanted to add this into this otherwise happy vlog because I think it's important to show all aspects of a life, not just the happy and interesting ones, or happy and fun and interesting parts. Oh, also, the one good thing that came of today was that I got my first shift for work. Okay, bye. Today's Eid, and for anyone who still doesn't know what that is in this day and age, it is the Muslim version of Christmas. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, this is a dress that I'm wearing. Shifa.
Oh yeah, I'll take. Oh, who's that? Hello. Is it you don't recall it? Oh, you need princess? You need. Oh, for my dance.
So what's today?
My graduation, my grade 8 graduation.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're waiting for Shifa's graduation to start.
Wait, I can move my nostril.
Hello. Hello.
Ew, I don't know who touches paper.
All right, I'm back home and I'm trying to balance this. Okay, I guess it's not gonna work. Anyway, I'm back home now from Shifa's graduation and it's currently like 9:13 p.m. So the sun is going down, the light is leaving me, and my camera's not good enough. Neither do I have the lighting to film past sundown. So anyway, this is gonna be the end of this day. I just came back from Shifa's graduation. Shifa, if you don't know, is my second sister. I have Urham, which is the one directly underneath me, and then Shifa, and then Dua's the youngest. So it was Shifa's grade 8 graduation, and it was really cute because I remember the day she was born. Like, I remember going to the hospital, and all that, and now she's going to high school. What? It's so weird. Anyway, it was so cute. She won the drama/dance award because she was in this. She's like really good at acting and she's like so passionate about it. And she was in her school's production of The Lion King and she was just so amazing. And yeah, so she won the award like out of everyone in her grade for drama. Oh yeah, also another thing I wanted to talk about. I'm feeling kind of like lame right now because I uploaded a video today. It was the cobalt blue mascara thing, right? And it took me such a long time to film and edit that because for the filming part, like I didn't know how I wanted to film it. So, and I didn't know how I wanted to do the product shot. So it took a lot of like time thinking about how I wanted the actual like video to look. And then I had to record a voiceover, which took ages because it's actually like, I've never done a voiceover for a video, so it was kind of like nerve-wracking. And then I had to edit it, and that whole process took me so many hours. Anyway, I posted it, and it's just like, because I'm a new YouTuber, obviously, like it hasn't gotten that much engagement yet. It's sitting at like maybe 30 views, and it just makes you feel like obviously like I don't expect anything more, especially because I'm so new. But at the same time, it's like kind of makes you feel kind of shit. Trick is making sure you enjoy the process, and I genuinely do enjoy the process, so I don't think I'm gonna stop making videos because of this. But it's just like it gets to you sometimes, you know, like you want the same engagement that you see with like other YouTubers you watch, but obviously if they've had so much time to build an audience and you need to, and I feel like the only way to succeed at anything, sorry, I said that weird, and I feel like the only way to succeed at anything is to be like completely determined and not give yourself a set timeline to achieve things, because I feel like once you give yourself a timeline like, oh, this want this many subscribers, or this I want to reach like this view milestone by this time, and if you don't achieve that, like it really discourages you. So I think you just have to focus on the process. I feel like if I if I stay determined and if I like put in the work and the effort, that eventually, even if it takes like 2 to 5 years of like getting 30 views per video, like eventually I might get what I'm looking for in this. So yeah, I'm not gonna stop anytime soon, but it is kind of hard because you have to just like ignore those thoughts. That is what's on my mind right now. I'm going to end this vlog for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Love you.